solve mo, day ba? Pero day ka, kilala ka sa akong, day?
Ay, yes, Mayor. Kilala, tagid ka eh.
Mo gali, kilala mo gali ako. O daw na lipay man ta sa imo ba? Pilang bayad sa imo, day?
Barato lang, Mayor. 200, okay na.
Oh, 200? Tuwadla. Di mabuhi ka man na sa 200?
Actually, Mayor, sideline ko lang ng 200. Ang obra ko gitya, Mayor. Pang blackmail sa mga politiko. Hala ka, Mayor. Sugit na ka kayo, ma'am.
Ayabaw, protect.
Do you rely on sugary drinks and snacks for energy? It might be time to cut back. Too much sugar in your diet is a hidden danger. Excess sugar doesn't just contribute to energy crashes, it significantly increases your long-term risk of conditions like diabetes and obesity. The simplest change you can make is limiting those sugary drinks. Swap out sodas and sweetened juices for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a slice of fruit. Make smart choices today to keep your energy steady and your body healthy for the future. Limit sugar. Your body will thank you. This health tip is brought to you by MOR Entertainment.
Every day I turn my radio on, nakikinig sa my one and only radio station.
Nasaan man ako, isa lang ang radyo ko, dahil more talaga dito sa aking paborito.
Ano man ang ginagawa, sino man ang iyong kasama, may more ka lang ka saan mang sulok ng bansa.
Only radio for life, with you I'll never have to be alone. My only radio for life, you're the best friend that I've ever known. My only radio for life, with you I'll never have to be alone. My only radio for life, you're the best friend that I've ever known. Mabago man ang ikot ng mundo, one thing that I know, you're my only radio for life. You're my only radio. You're my only radio for life.
Pasko pa more! MOR is giving you more! So much more reasons to wake up earlier. Pamaskong papagising na yummier! The best Yuletide hits of all time. Pinagsama, nakakagana. Tamang-tama ang timpla. Wake up, kapamilya! Pasko pa more! It's the most wonderful time.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Pasko pa more!
Merry Christmas, boss. Maraming Christmas bonus.
Narito na ang iyong daily Noche Buena. Pasko pa more! Sa alas 4.
Honey, gising na.
Pasko pa more! Pasko pa more! Aprobado ni Santa. Hindi mapagkakaila. From your one and only, sarap niya na. Christmas radio station. Yo, check this out. My only radio.